Okay, students, moving on to our next subject, that is English language, and our topic is the past and the present. Now, what is past and what is present? Past matlab what is already done, which is already over. Okay, and present means what is happening now, current. Past means पहले, जो पहले हो चुका है. Okay, present मतलब जो अभी हो रहा है. ठीक है. Is it clear to everyone? Now these two exercises we will do it later on. Let me first explain you what is past, what is present. Now it is saying over here, look at these sentences. Isha wanted a pencil. Imran walked to the bus stop. Okay. Toral painted a picture. Now the words, can you see these highlighted words जो dark में है? Walked, wanted, walked and painted. They are all doing words that tell us something that has happened before. Before मतलब पहले हो चुका है ये चीज़. Now Isha wanted a pencil. Maybe yesterday she wanted a pencil. Imran walked to the bus stop. Maybe 2 days before he walked to the bus stop. Toral painted a picture. Maybe 1 week before Toral painted a picture. तो ये wanted, walked, painted ये सब पहले हो चुका है. पहले, that is called past. Now, for example, you all are in class 2, so this is present. अभी आप class 2 में हो. Last year आप लोग कौन से class में थे? Last year you all were in class 1. Okay, so class 1 becomes your past and class 2 is your present. Is that clear? Look at these sentences. It is saying now, regularly. Now, at present and regularly. I visit my grandmother every weekend. Okay. Now, this is happening regularly and it is now. Before. I visited my grandmother yesterday. Now, yesterday you visited your, so it is past. This becomes present. I play in the park every day. Means every day you are going to the park to play. I played in the park in the evening. You must have played yesterday or one day before you played. It rains heavily in July. It is raining heavily in July. It rained heavily in the morning. Okay. Radha waits for the school bus in the morning. Radha is waiting for the school bus in the morning. Radha waited for lunch time. Radha waited for the lunch time. I enjoy sports. I enjoyed the film on Monday. Now this is all what has happened present. Abhi. This is all what has happened before. So this is past. Now next page. We add ed to the doing verbs to talk about something that has happened before. Now when we add, you use the word ed. Okay, you are using the word ed for the doing verbs that has always happened before. Some doing words change differently when we talk about what happened before. Like go becomes went, give, gave, spend, spent, tell, told, eat, ate. Is that clear? You have to remember these key points, children. ed we add what has happened before. पहले जो हो चुका है. Clear? Now, I go to the market. Means it is present tense or past tense. These are all comes under tense actually. I go to the market. Present, I'm going now. I went to the market. This becomes past. This is all your present and this becomes your past. We sing in the choir. We sang in the choir. Mehak draws well. Mehak drew well. Cats run after mice. Cats ran after mice. Grandpa wears his glasses. Grandpa wore his glasses. Our teacher teaches us English. Our teacher taught us English. Is this clear to everyone? Now let's do exercise A now. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of doing words in the bracket. From the brackets you have to choose and write it. Toral eats a banana and toast for breakfast. Yesterday she ate. Yesterday she ate. Okay. Eat becomes ate. Cornflakes and milk. Number 2. The monk wears an orange robe. This is present. Past will be last evening he wore a red robe. Clear? Number 3. I always keep my books in my bag. Yesterday, this I always keep my books in my bag. Yesterday I kept. Keep becomes kept. Okay. Number 4, we visit our cousins during the summer vacation. Last summer we visited. Visit becomes visited. Clear? Turn to the next page. We have exercise number 5. My father buys pencils for me. Buys pencils for me. Last week my mother bought. Buys become bought. Buy becomes bought. Understood? Number 6, it always rains in July. Last year it rained. So you can see where ed is added. Understood? Buy becomes bought. Then over here we have visit became visited, keep kept, wears wore, eats ate. Okay, so always remember past means what has happened before. You add ed to the word. Present is what is happening now, current. Abhi jo ho raha hai, that is present. Okay, I drink a glass of milk means I drink it every day, or I drink a glass of milk every day. I drank a glass of milk yesterday. That becomes your past. That yesterday you drank a glass of milk, but I'm drinking every day. I'm drinking. So I'm sure the concept of past and present is clear to everyone. Now let's do these two exercise also. It is saying circle two doing words in this passage that tells us about things that has happened regularly. Means it's happening in the present regularly. I go to my grandmother's house on weekends. You will circle go. There I play with her pet dog Victor. Play. I give it milk and bread to eat. Give. Sometimes we also go for a walk. Okay, we have to circle only the doing words. Then it comes circle the doing words in this passage that tell us that has happened before. That is past. This was present. I watched. You will circle watched a film last weekend. Ed. We laughed a lot. Again, laughed you will circle. I enjoyed the film. You will circle enjoyed. After the film, we all had dinner at a restaurant. Is that clear? So this is clear to everyone. Okay. Is this clear to everyone? This exercise. Now I want you all to do exercise A in your textbook. That's all for today, children. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.